Power Capital Group is not just a commercial solar company. We also specialize in residential solar attic fans, and solar tubes, which are great for lighting and cooling attic spaces. We know that you don't like when someone knocks at your door to talk about solar. That is why Power Capital Group is different. We respect family time, and we put your family's interest first. So we want to know, why do you want to go solar? Saving money or going green? No wrong answers here. But if you're looking to save money, here is how we can help. First, we want you to own your solar system, and we're not asking you to spend more money. We're simply asking you to take the money you pay to your energy company and put it toward the energy you will own. Wow, not wasting your money, that is a great choice. Second, owning solar adds value to your home and will get you long-term and short-term savings. Yes, you will get a 26% federal tax credit, and yes, you will receive a state grant, and yes, depending on the state and county you live in, you will get property tax and energy credits. No sales pressure from us, we are just here to help. Third, here is how you can start with no commitment. Google search Draw My Roof. Click on the website and really draw your roof to see what fits. You will see guidelines to the kilowatt that will fit on your roof. Remember, it's only a guideline, and you can reach out to us with no pressure to help. We are here for you. Draw My Roof is easy. Add your address and move the marker on your house so that it's centered. Click the dot on each corner until you complete the box on your roof. Then add where you'd like the panels again. Just remember, it is an idea or estimate of what you can put on your roof. Fourth, financing is also easy as 1, 2, 3. We offer interest rates as low as 2.99% and have a special offer of 0 payments and 0 interest for 2 years. Or if you do not have a 650 or better credit score, we can offer you a low-cost power purchase agreement with no payments for up to 6 months. Finally, we do all of the grant and permit paperwork for you. We make it easy for you to relax and enjoy the savings. Please text or call us for all your solar and home improvement needs at 301-660-SAVE or email us at contactus@powercapitalgroup.com. Visit our website www.powercapitalgroup.com or follow our Instagram page, Power Capital Group.